So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Cameron and it is inspection day. So first things first, I'm going to inspect hive number 2. And the reason being is they were about to be honey bound and they were queenless. So we're going to take a look at these ladies first and see if they've got any honey that I can harvest. Let's take a look. It's a little overcast today, so I'm expecting to see a few bees in here. Ladies, how you diddling? They've been bearding as well on an evening, so I know that there's bees in here. We have completely capped on one side, nothing on the other. Okay, I'm still busy with this top one. I expected to see a few more bees in this top with them bearding on an evening, but not too many at all. None of it's capped for taking. So I will take that off and go down into that second super. See what they've got going on in there. Oh, hello, lady. Yeah, we got bees in here. Like I said, it's a little overcast and has been today, so they might be a little bit more annoyed with me than usual. We'll see. Missed him. Okay. We're getting into it. This is right on the edge, so we might have some we can harvest today. That's all nectar and honey. I said it was overcast, and as soon as I put this suit on, the sun comes out. Nearly fully capped. That's probably 80%. Let's keep going. %70%. Excuse me, ladies. Thank you. Again, 50–60% capped. Okay. More capped. I don't think there's anything ready for harvesting today, darling.
Nothing?
I don't believe so.
Nothing in the top one?
Not ready now. I know I'm annoying, ladies. I know I am. Excuse me, ladies. Thank you. We've got plenty of bees. There's some heavy honey in that one. All right, ladies, I'll leave you alone. Well, I'm saying I'm leaving you alone. I am going into the brood chamber to see if there is sign of a queen. See if we can see some eggs. And you get another week, ladies. You can do something with that honey for me. All right. Let's take a look. See if we've got signs of a laying queen yet. So if you recall in the last inspection, all these guys had was honey, nectar, pollen. They had zero brood, but these guys, when I did that artificial split, these guys made 3 queen cups, swarm cups. Yeah, there's lots of bees in here. Lots of bees. It's funny. Excuse me, ladies. Just taking a look, seeing if you've got a queen yet. There's a queen cell. Doesn't look like anything in it. There are lots and lots of bees in here. As yet, I'm not seeing any brood. Keep looking. I'm confident that they will have a queen, with them making 3 queen cells pretty much immediately after I did the artificial swarm. Time frame wise, they've still got time, but may be on a mating flight still. We've still got pollen coming in, So we're not going into the dirt yet. All right, I know. It's the annoying Englishman. So, no brood yet. Lots and lots of bees. Lots and lots of bees. All right, girls. If these had a queen right now, they would be getting ready to swarm. They would, because they're pretty packed and nearly honey bound. We'll give them another week. Excuse me, ladies, thank you. Coming through, nothing to see here. All right. So from there, yeah, that's heavy. Now I'm going to move over to hive colony number 4. Let's see how they're doing. All right, ladies. Right on. All right. Have a good week, ladies. I'll see you. You know what I need to do? I need to put a beetle trap in. Hey, darling, can you bring me some vegetable oil, please? I did have some down here. I don't know what I did with it. Okay, guys, so let's take a look at number 4. See how these ladies are doing. Again, I'm not expecting to see anything up here. A little bit of cap honey. Nothing exciting. All right, ladies. How are you doing? See what we've got going on. Make sure my microphone is on. It is. Thank you, darling. Okay, got some honey right on the edge. And more brood. Okay, they do have a queen, but it's not a thick brood pattern at all. a little bit spaced out, but they definitely do have a queen. Because they have new brood since last week. So he's not a prolific layer yet, but there is fresh brood, so they do have a queen. Okay. Yeah, sporadic laying. But brood all the same, so they're on the right track. They are. So hopefully she'll start laying. We'll see next week. But for now, ladies, you can go back to doing what you were doing. And again, these guys don't have a small hive beetle trap either. So we'll give these guys one as well. And these are just little traps that you've put olive oil in, and the bees they'll corral the hive beetles into them, and they drown. Now, up till now, I haven't had a terrible time with hive beetles. However, I just noticed two in hive number 2. So I'm going to make sure everybody's got a trap. Alright, girls. So we'll move on to number 3, which I've noticed this last week has really had a little growth spurt, which is great. Let's take a look, ladies. Forgot to keep my smoker going. Alright, let's see how you're doing, girls. This hive beetle there. He is no more. Yeah, they've had a growth spurt. They have. Started anything up here, ladies, yet? We started drawing it out. Certainly not at the sides. Let's see if there's anything going on in the middle. Not really. Let's give you a trap as well while we're here. Like I said, guys, this is just normal vegetable oil. So it doesn't contaminate the hive nor the bees. Okay. Right, let's take you off and take a look underneath. Yeah, they've had a growth spurt, all right. Looks like they're starting to cap off some honey. Yeah, that's heavy. Yeah, they've had a real growth spurt. We've got half honey and half honey and half brood. So take a look, see how you're doing. More honey that side. Yeah, they've definitely had a growth spurt. Again, a little bit of brood. And then honey. And she's a good laying queen. Lots of brood. They're about to explode, these guys, again. I'm going to look down below as well, because if that's full of brood as well, they're going to need some more room. Yeah. Brood, brood, and more brood. Go one more. Brood, brood, and more brood. Lots of honey in there. You do. Give us enough room, did I, girls? Okay. Let's take a look underneath. And the reason being is they might be getting ready to swarm. If that bottom brood chamber is full of brood, I know they're getting ready. Let's take a look. Where's my smoker? Make sure I don't trip over anything. Excuse me, ladies. I'm landing on my microphone. you. I bet you they've got swarm cells. This is full of brood. If I was a betting man, I would bet that this would be full of swarm cells. Excuse me, ladies. Thank you. Well, look at that. Isn't that weird? Completely empty on the edge. They've been semi-well behaved. Wow, they're really good at propolis. Lovely. Brood. More brood. Queen cell, but nothing doing with it. Excuse me, ladies. Brood. More brood. Got a little bit defensive. I know, ladies, I know. Oh,
So hey guys, it's at this point that I realised that I had inadvertently caught the queen when I was separating that frame from the other, and she must have just been in the wrong place at the wrong time, and I caught her with the hive tool, and very unfortunately I killed her.
so let's see what they do. That one goes on first, doesn't it? I need to get some of them bees out of the way. Go on, ladies. Oh, put there for now while I get my thing out. Okay, ladies. I know. Trying to be quick, ladies. All right. I'll leave you alone. I'm not going to do an inspection on number 5. I'm pretty sure she's doing great, but what I am going to do is make sure that they do have a beetle trap And they don't, so I'm going to put one in for them. Hey ladies. I'll find one with it open. There we go. All right. Keep those pesky beetles away from you, eh, ladies? And I'll leave them to it. I don't need to inspect them. Make sure everything's back on as it should. Well, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And we will see you in the next video.